Hello everyone, welcome you all on your own channel Computer Classes at Home. So once again I am here with Python, and in this session we are going to talk about comments. Comments in Python play a very important role. They are the statements that are added to a program with the purpose of making the code easier to understand. Yes, many times in the program we want to write the statements, and these statements are helpful for us to making the code easier for understanding. Compiler and interpreter generally ignore comments during the execution of program. Why? Because these comments are only for the information purpose, not for the execution. If you add comments to your Python program, Python will not show the text written in the comments in the output. Yes, these are some kind of instructions which will be there in the coding of program. They will not shown at the execution part. Although comments are optional, they are needed from the user's perspective so that the programmer could be able to understand the steps about what they are doing different times. In Python, we are having two types of comments. What are these? Number one is single line comments and number two is multi-line comments. As the name indicates, single line comments are created by beginning a line with the hash character. Hash is a symbol, and this symbol is used for single line comment and are automatically terminated at the end of the line. Means we don't have to specify where the comment will end. So that means if you have put hash symbol in the beginning of line, it means it will be commenting the whole line itself. The next one is multi-line comments. Sometimes your program may need to explain things in more details, which may exceed one line. Yes, of course, if we are not able to complete the comment in single line, we may have to exceed the comments for more lines. So in such cases, we require multi-line comments. We can provide multi-line comments in a program by adding a delimiter. And what is that? It is 3 times double quotes altogether, and this comes in the beginning as well as at the end of the comment. So examples are also there, but before that, remember that single line comments appear in red color and multi-line comments appear in green color. I will show you it with the help of program as well, that how exactly they are being shown with red color and green color. An example you can see on the screen, hash. This is a single line comment, so we have not closed, and these are multi-line comments. It is enclosed between triple time double quotes. So this is the example of multi-line comments. Now let's do it practically. I will open Python, and when I open the Python screen, I would open a program. I have made some programs, so I am taking any one of them. Say this program I have opened, which is for printing your name a number of times. So in this program you can see I have written hash program 5 and program to print your name a number of times. So in both the lines hash is written. So if I execute the program, you will see that the program is getting executed. Suppose I give the name and then I tell the number how many times it has to be printed. So it is showing the output without any problem, and the lines in which I have written hash, they are not reflected over here. In the same manner, let's take one more example. I am taking triple time double quotes and I am writing thanks for watching the program video, and then I again triple time double quotes I have closed and I execute the program. So suppose I give the name and the number of times, so it is showing the output, and these type of comments are not shown anywhere. But let me tell you, this I have written in single line. So if I do enter, now it has gone to second line, this is third line, this is again fourth line, fifth line, sixth line. So this way there are, the code is in different line, but still it will not make any kind of difference in the output. Whatever I will write Accordingly, the program will execute, and this green lines, which are the multi-line comments, and this red line, which is single line comment, they are not reflected here in the output. So I hope single line and multi-line comment, this is clear to all of you. You would have enjoyed the video. So I'm sure that you are going to like and share it. So definitely go ahead with practicing Python and watch the other videos also which I have made in this playlist of Python. And upcoming session I would be making some more videos of Python, and you will be able to understand, implement, and practically you will become sound in programming. So thank you so much.